Alright, welcome back to Redneck's Dirty Hands. I'm Pete. This here is my Mac tool supplier, Claude. Say hi.
How you doing?
So just an update. Finally got the new booster pack in from Running Her Over, and the service was so good and the deal was so good that we figured we'd do it again with my other one. So, gotta love Mac tools.
Hey, they tell us to do it, so we listen.
Let's do it.
Here we go.
Take two. That sucker smoked down. Oh, that's bad. So, what do you think of that?
Well, you're gonna get one just like that.
That's a few more pieces than the last time we did her, but we got no issues. We got the coupon, right? So we just gotta stuff it all in the box there. Oh yeah, just jam it in there. Put it in the box like that.
There we go.
Get it back out of the box like that.
And all of its pieces. I'll have to do some repackaging when I get home.
Just wrap her up in some duct tape.
There you go.
Alright, send that sucker off in the mail, and hopefully that pinata comes back in one piece like that one.
There you go.
Gotta love it. If you need any tools, Mac Tools, Claude, guy to call. Nice one. Take her easy.
Okay, thanks guys.